How you doing, traders? I'm just gonna try to show you maybe a little easier way to get entries on the 10-minute using the 60-minute volatility stop on the 10-minute. Okay, this right here is the 60-minute volatility stop on the 10-minute time frame, and it's very easy to do. Just click on. You see, I have 25, 40, 60, and a 240 pip target. Just right click on the 240 or whichever one you would like to. Yeah, on the 240, because we're not going to use that entry. And then just right click on it, edit, and just put an H here for a higher time frame. And exit, and then close. And now you'll have this volatility stop line on your chart. But it says no draw, but the actual draw is on. So let's go back in there, edit. If you need to put the draw on, it's the draw type. It's line and line. You gotta do both. 1 and 2. And then the style is, that's not the style, it's circle 2 on both. 1, 2, circle 2. Okay, very simple. And you just wanna, well, now you got the 60-minute. So in essence, you can almost use one chart if you like, if it works for you. And then you're going to get the 60-minute trade call here for the volatility stop. So just wait. So what you want to do is you don't wait for the 25, 40, and 60 to make a trade call, or you can use the T3s, but you want to wait for a pullback. Because pullback's coming, you have not got a signal for the 25, 40, 60 yet. Oops, sorry. So just let it go down. Now calls a sell. You want to ignore that because you're looking for buys. Trend line break. You're looking for buys. Still didn't call a buy trade yet. You got to be patient. Unless you want to enter on this cross, you can. Totally up to you. Or if you want to take the trade signal itself on the 60-minute, you're going to just have a huge drawdown. And a huge drawdown is no fun. You know, we've all been there. You know, you're looking at, that's huge, 93 pips. You know, just wait. I mean, I know sometimes it's hard, easier said than done, so you gotta wait. And then what you got is, you got a bullish candle, you got the cross set up here, even, you got past resistance when it comes to future support. So keep these support lines drawn. Keep these trend lines drawn. When I close a trade call, you can enter, and then it pulls back. You know, even with this bullish candle, pulls back, and then now it's on its way. But you could kind of try to avoid those big drawdowns, and then it's on its way. And also once it starts trending like this, just all of a sudden it's gonna call up. You know, it starts trending like this. Just go like this with your extended trend line and just drill like an angle out, like something like, you know, like that, and extend it. And then so it'll try to keep you out of trouble. And then what you want to do is, if you need to adjust it, you know, because you just drew it on the fly. There's also an angle trend line. I think it's right here. I don't really use it much, but you can use that. See the degrees? So you can see the degrees down here at the bottom right, and then you can kind of gauge it. but the trend line basically follows the 8. And just keep your trend line to draw. So now if you need to adjust your trend line, then adjust it. But just keep those trend lines draw, so when that trend line breaks, if you're not using a trailing stop, you want to be out. If you're doing the 2040, now if you train the volatility stop system itself, you're getting, you're talking a lot of pips here. You're talking, you had trade, this is the orange line. I already got your 60 pip target it's right about there on the system, that top wick, and the system went 166 and it's pulling back. Then you got a trend line break. Now you want to be out. Now you can try to just cross that up. Now you could do a 2040 trade with this low here. And you got the cross set up. This is an entry right here. That's entry. And I don't know how far I got up. This is a losing trade. That's a loser. Yeah, you got stopped out on this one. But you made it up on this run here. But now you got a small loss. That's why a lot of times you'll see my trades that I post that don't have a 25 pip loss, sometimes 20, depending how close I got to the entry. And then you got another cross set up, but now you're looking for sells. So what you're looking for is sells. And then you got to sell here. So maybe this will help you out with better entries and equity management if you want to go that route. Alright. Good luck, traders. Yeah, hi traders. Just doing a quick video on the Euro Australian with the 60-minute volatility stop line on the 10-minute time frame. You see when it gets close to this volatility stop line and it's resistance, that's 60 minutes, and it goes down. And then I have the 25, 40, 60 on the own time frame, and it's calling trades. You don't have a whole bunch of trade signals on your chart. You call the trade 25, 40, 60 pip target, and you got past support and future resistance right here. Basically, this is now it calls a buy. This is still below the volatility stop line. I wouldn't take that trade. This is the 240 pip volatility stop trade call on the Euro Australian. And you don't want to take that because wait for it to pull back. Even though it made some pips here, you can reduce your drawdown. And just wait, still below. And you got right here, you got support. And you might see support line drawn here, and you're gonna get a bounce here. Does it bounce? It's still below the volatility stop line. You got a very low risk trade here versus the trade call itself, which is up here at 57.38. That's 57.38. It's here. And it pulled back. 68 pips. That was drawn out. You took the trade signal. And then just only taking the buys. Why it's above this green line. Just the buys. see what's worked out. Buy trades line, buy trades. I mean, it's a huge trend here on the Euro Australian last week. And now it broke the trend line. If you had a trailing stop on this, depending on how you trailed it, you know, you captured a lot of pips, you know, on this move. I mean, a lot of pips. Now you look for sells. You don't want to close that. Now I'm looking for sells. I'm drawing counter trend lines with the crossovers in the direction. This is actual right here is the volatility stop. Pull the trade, let it pull back. Get a better entry. You know, this is resistance here. Close below this line. And then a bearish candle, and it's on its way down. You know, very simple trading. So maybe this will help you out to get in better entries, better equity management. Because you got this, you have the 60-minute volatility stop on the 10-minute time frame. Okay, in the other video I showed you how to edit it and you know to put it on your charts. And it's basically now you're only looking for sells. But currently it's broke a trend line, and this is Friday close. All right, hope this helps you out, traders.